Buongiorno, pasta lovers. Today, we're diving into the world of Italian cuisine with a classic dish, Amatriciana. But here's the twist. We'll uncover some lesser-known facts about this mouth-watering sauce. So, grab your forks, and let's embark on a flavorful journey through the secrets of Amatriciana. Fact number 1. Amatriciana sauce originates from the town of Amatrice in central Italy. This small hilltop village nestled in the Apennine Mountains is famous for its hearty cuisine, and Amatriciana is one of its most iconic dishes. It's a testament to the flavors and traditions of the region. Fact number 2. The traditional Amatriciana sauce is made with just a handful of ingredients: guanciale, cured pork cheek, pecorino Romano cheese, San Marzano tomatoes, and chili flakes. It's a simple yet powerful combination that creates a burst of flavors on the palate. Fact number 3. The secret to the distinctive taste of Amatriciana lies in the guanciale. This cured pork cheek is rich in flavor and provides a depth and complexity that sets Amatriciana apart from other pasta sauces. It's a true embodiment of the authentic Italian umami experience. Fact number 4. The name, Amatriciana, actually refers to the original recipe's use of guanciale from Amatrice. However, variations of the sauce have evolved over time, and different regions in Italy have put their own twist on it. Some may use pancetta instead of guanciale or add onions and garlic for extra flavor. Fact number 5. Amatriciana is traditionally paired with pasta shapes like bucatini or rigatoni, allowing the sauce to cling to every nook and cranny. The al dente pasta provides the perfect canvas for the rich and robust flavors of the sauce, creating a truly satisfying dining experience. Fact number 6. While Amatriciana is beloved as a pasta sauce, it also pairs well with other dishes. It can be used to top grilled meats, spread on bruschetta, or even serve as a pizza sauce. The versatility of Amatriciana makes it a favorite ingredient in Italian cuisine. So, there you have it. 6 unknown facts about the tantalizing Italian Amatriciana sauce. Whether you're a pasta aficionado or simply appreciate the flavors of Italy, Amatriciana is a culinary gem worth exploring. Buon appetito! Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more delectable culinary adventures. Until next time, happy cooking!